welcome you at KATI this morning. As you know, sir, I will just give you a very brief history about KATI and the activities that are taking place at KATI right now. And then we will definitely like to hear something from you. And then we have a little bit of an open question and answer session in which our members can ask you about the different aspects of bilateral trade between Pakistan and Korea. Internet things. So I found out that the Korean connection with Pakistan is very, very old. If you see, the Buddhism was introduced to Korea in 384 AD, whose name was Mr. Maranatha, and who was born in Chota, Lahore. So that means that our legacy with Korea goes down a long way. And that is on a very cultural, industrial estate in Pakistan, having more than 50,000 acres of land, and we have about 4,500 main commercial units in Pakistan. And out of these commercial units, you will find heavy machinery and many more. So, we contribute about 23% to the national exchequer. And in Karachi, if you see our share, it goes more than 57% of the tax revenue of Pakistan, of Karachi I would say, comes from KATI. So this makes us one of the top forerunners in the national economic sector as well. Now, coming back to the Pakistan-Korea trade, if you see and go by the pure figures, Pakistan's exports to Korea is only about 206 million US dollars. Of course, our imports are much more, as you know, because of the fact that we have many joint ventures with Korean companies like Lotte Pakistan, Hyundai Motors, and of course, then we have this Kia Motors right now, which is doing, I think, very well in Pakistan. FTA or any incentive from the Korean side, because as I am told, the duty structure for Pakistan is pretty steep in Korea. So that makes our products rather uncompetitive when we want to sell to Korea. 50% of our population is directly or indirectly linked with the agricultural sector. So we would like to have some sort of a general consensus on some soft capacity building in this field as well.
And as a country director, 2.5 years, I have been trying to strengthen ties between Pakistan and Korean the private businesses. And there were up and downs, but most of them, mostly these 3 years has been blessing to me, and I was able to witness strengthening ties of business partnership between Pakistan and Korea. As Mr. Vice President suggested, now we have Hyundai, Kia, Samsung started the assembly lines here in Pakistan. Also, for this partnership develop further into medium-sized companies, including fisheries on chemicals, adding the export capacity of Pakistan industries. For instance, there are two Korean fish food processing companies here in Pakistan, here in Karachi, and they are exporting their products to Vietnam, Thailand, South Korea. So, and also there is one Korean chemical company which is making agent for the footwears. They're setting up factory here, and they're importing materials from Korea. However, they're making new products using those intermediary goods, and they're planning to export it to South Africa and Middle East countries. So nowadays, the Korean companies are paying more attention to Pakistan as an alternative manufacturing hub. This trend will be this trend will continue since Pakistan now is back in the normal track. Now the Pakistan overcame the foreign reserve crisis. So nowadays, if Pakistan companies make more investment in textile and other manufacturing facility, the moving up into higher the value creation chains, then there will be Korean companies that can partner with the Pakistan companies to help each other and to help two Pakistan Korean companies position in a better position in the world trading the community. So I strongly believe there are many opportunities that we can utilize between two countries, because Pakistan is the fifth largest the population country, abundant of young professionals with skills and English the ability. And Korean companies, they have experienced operating factories, businesses in China, Southeast Asia, India. So now they are thinking about moving out of China, moving into Vietnam, Indonesia. Why not Pakistan? So Pakistan ready, then many Korean companies will come, and they will share their accumulated knowledge and skills with the Pakistani companies and engineers. So as the government agency, KOTRA, will do our best to enhance these ties between two countries. For free trade agreement is beyond our capacity, but I share your comments with our government. The Pakistan side eagerly resume the FTA talks, and I hope that soon everything is done. Now we need to finish the negotiations, and then Pakistan is one of the countries on South Korean government's free trade agreement the agenda. But nowadays the South Korean government is more toward economic cooperation rather than free trade agreement. So free trade agreement is only tariffs on manufacturing goods, but comprehensive economic cooperations is beyond trading, investment, human resource networkings. So now South Korean government is focusing on this comprehensive economic cooperation. So
I'm not feeling well, that's why I cannot be able to join today's meeting. And I special thanks to Rehman Ashmi Saab, who brings the event just because of is a long associate with the Kotra, and me also associate with the Kotra from a long time.
as a last, let me express my sincere gratitude to all the participants here, the private companies. I believe that private companies are the most important contributor to the partnership between Korea and Pakistan, and I will do my best to help you to continue your business with Korea, and hope that the Pakistan companies, Korean companies can make a mutually beneficial partnership.
Maybe you can pinpoint 4 or 5 sectorial industries, maybe textile, which is of course the backbone of our economy. Fishes, as you said, is a very upcoming thing. Fruits, furniture, there are people who can export good furniture. 4, 5 or 6 have about 3, 4, 5 people from the sector related to KATI, so that we can recommend good people and people of repute who are going there. Not just everybody that you apply, you pay a fees and then you go there. We are not charging anything from our members. In fact, we are just facilitating among the business houses. So I would request that you think on those lines, so that will be easier for all of us, and that will be a quick solution to enhance the bilateral trade. So that is just one of my suggestions, sir.